Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to reset Windows 10 step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other operating systems. So let's start the video. The first method is click on start button and click here setting option. After that, type here under search box recovery and click here recovery option. Now click here recovery option. You can see here and click here reset this PC get started button. There are two options. One is keep my files and remove everything. If you click on keep my file, your file will remain on Windows operating system, and if you select this remove everything, your all file will delete and application will delete from your Windows 10. So select here keep my file option. Okay, and you can see here there are two options, cloud download and local reinstall. We are select here cloud download. We will reset our PC with Microsoft ISO. Okay, we will download ISO from Microsoft. So select here cloud download. Click here. After that guys, click here next button. Click here next button and wait for some time. Now we will download from cloud. So click here reset. So guys, you are preparing to reset is started here and wait for some time. Your PC will reset. Okay, and follow other steps given by window. Your Windows will reset properly. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.